Hello guys, let's try to create this slide, this presentation. If you like, please like and subscribe, and if you need another content like this, don't forget to see my channel. We have many videos like this. Okay, let's try to create this. At first we need to create this slide. This slide is a pretty easy one, but we are going to create some for simple. You just simply format background and use the fill, this fill, and set the transparency lower. This way the background appear. These two are the simple text and nothing more. This thing is a circle, and how I created them I'm going to teach you. And this is just a simple text with overdrive sunset. Okay, let's see how I create this circle that we have here. Let's go to new slide. Insert. You can in two ways create this from the smart art section. You find this thing, make it 1, 2, 3, add a text. You need to make it 4. How? You can add a shape here, then just simply here reset graphic, convert to shapes. Okay, you see you have your shapes, but the important thing is that you need to ungroup the shape. I think it must be group. Yes, here it's group. You must ungroup the shape. Now you have your circles, and you can just simply bring them in front of each other. Now you have the circle you want, and you can push it here. Okay, this is the way you create the circle, and do the same thing for all of these slides. This thing is not important to be here. You can delete them, but you must need to create another things. After you creating that, you just simply need to, for creating this slide, here you simply need to select all of them and just simply set shape format, align them center, middle. Now you have this shape that you can paste it here, and then you set the transition of our slide to morph. Now just run it. Everything look as possible. Okay, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you need anything, ask me in the comments.